Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 3.20. In this question it is given to you, figure gives the xt plot of a particle executing one dimensional simple harmonic motion. Give the sign of position, velocity and acceleration variables of a particle at time t equal to 0.3 second, 1.2 second and minus 1.2 second. Clear to you? So now concentrate. First, let us try to understand here the given situation is for simple harmonic motion. Clear? Actually, we have a chapter that is oscillation, chapter number 14 in part number 2nd of class 11. So, in the oscillation we will find there is a relation between acceleration and the displacement, and that is given by A equal to minus times of omega square x. Clear to everyone? So, now if we discuss situation number 1, when particle is at t equal to 0.3 second. When particle is at t equal to 0.3 second, it means we can see t equal to 0.3 second, it means this position is what? 0.5 second. Clear? So, what is exact situation of particle A or particle at 0.3 second? So, we can say this is actual position of a particle. Yes or no? Now, you can say at this position, tell me value of x is positive or negative. Definitely we can say here we are getting negative value of x. Clear? So, we can say for this situation we have x less than 0. Clear? Now, we know because this is a xt graph. So, if we draw a slope on at any point, then we can say this represent what? This represent velocity. Yes or no? This represent velocity. So, now we can say this slope, again we can say this is a negative slope. Clear? So, it means we can say velocity is also less than 0. Yes or no? Okay. Because our objective in this question is just to know what is sign of position, velocity and acceleration. Clear? Now, we can say when we have x less than 0, then we can say A. It means acceleration. Acceleration is what? When x less than 0, we can say the acceleration is greater than 0. Clear? Yes or no? So, this is for situation number first. Clear? Now, we are going to discuss second situation. Let's suppose now if we talk about t equal to 1.2 second. Clear? So, where we have 1.2 second, this is 1 and approximately we have this position. Clear? It means particle is here. This is 1.2 second. So, particle is here. Clear? Okay, tell me what about the value of x? Definitely you can see from graph this x is greater than 0. Yes or no? X is greater than 0. What about velocity? If we draw here a tangent, definitely we can say we are having a positive slope. Slope means what? We can find here this theta and this theta is acute, we can say acute angle, or we can say less than 90. So, we will find it positive. So, we can say velocity this is greater than 0. Clear? And what about acceleration? Clear? What about acceleration? So, when we have x greater than 0, it means we can say acceleration we are getting less than 0. Clear? Because here we have negative value. Clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Clear? Okay. Now, if we discuss about next position t equal to minus 1.2 second. Clear? So, now if I write t equal to minus 1.2 second. Clear? Where we have minus 1.2 second, this position. Clear? This is minus 1.2 second. So, we can say we have this position. Clear to you? So, when we have this position, clear, this is minus 1.2 second. So, again we can say here we are getting x less than 0. So, we can say value of x less than 0. If we talk about velocity, clear. So, if we draw here a tangent, definitely we are getting a positive slope. So, velocity is greater than 0. And what about acceleration? When we put value x less than 0, it means this is negative. So, we can say acceleration is greater than 0. Clear? So, like this we can find here sign of x, v and acceleration. Clear to everyone?